welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I am actually Chennel. Today we're going to be discussing Irresistible Me clip-ins. It has been so long since I've done anything hair or beauty related. I've been pushing out vlogs and just daily life stuff. But today I wanted to cover these Irresistible Me clip-ins because I actually just received a complimentary set in the mail, like not just received, maybe like 2 weeks ago. So I'm a little late, but I received these like a week ago. And what I do love about this brand is that they last forever. I've had my original clip-in sets for like 5 years and have never ordered another set because I really didn't need it. But it is time, honey. I'm actually going to show you the old set and the new set so you can see how they hold up and just how well these clip-ins are made. This is a brand I actually stand behind. I was not paid to do this video. They did send me the clip-ins, but I was not paid a dime because I actually really like their clip-in extensions. You guys know I don't post anything if I don't believe in it. So that's just how I roll. So I'm gonna show you the ones that I just ordered and they came in the mail like maybe a week and a half ago, not 2 weeks ago. So these are the dark ombre set. I think you get 10 pieces in this set, and this is the packaging that it comes in. I already opened them because I've worn them in photos and stuff. So this side is where like the 9 pieces are, and then they give you like 1 piece in here to try out. Once you break the seal on, I think this side, they're yours. So just make sure you do this little tester piece to make sure you really like them. I wanted something a little different. I have been wearing ombre weave lately, and I was just like, ooh, a nice pair of ombre clip-ins would look nice, right? So as you can see, my hair, this is my natural hair, you guys. It's not very long, it's not very thick these days. So unfortunately my hair actually fell out a lot over this past year. Could be hormonal, so I don't really know, but either way my hair is like really thinning out, and I have been doing what I can to take care of it so that it can like grow back and thicken up. But in the interim, I have been wearing clip-in extensions, less weave and more clip-ins, just because it's just easier for me. So I wanted to show you guys the new set that I got. These are the dark ombre set. I love these. I wanted the lighter ombre, but they were sold out, so I grabbed these. I'm actually really happy with them. Don't mind my fingernail, it broke. So it comes with 10 pieces. You get the little smaller pieces in here. Let me see how I can just lay them there. And then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually. 5 of these 2-piece clip-ins. So I love that. And then you also get, hold on, this is another one of those like little 1 pieces. You also get 2 3 clip-ins with this. And then here's the kicker. So this is what I love about this brand. This is why this is my go-to brand. You get the volumizing like little one. So this one actually has 3 tracks on it. I believe 3. It looks like 3. And it's really, really thick. This is a great volumizer. I love to use this for wigs. Sometimes like when I get wigs online or they come in the mail to me, sometimes they're not as thick as I want them to be. So I'll just add this piece in. Obviously this is ombre, so I would do it with my solid color ones, my 1B set. I did actually do this with a wig I had recently, and it looked really good. I just added a few more clips to kind of have it all blend, but I'm obsessed, okay? I love how thick this is. I love that it fits in the back of your head. So for me, this is actually gonna take up most of my head for this half up, half down look. My hair is kind of already prepped. So I'm just gonna add the clip-ins to this so you guys can see the difference. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this brand. So these are 24-inch clip-ins. I have my old set here, which are also 24-inch clip-ins. They're super old, so they're not as long anymore, and I don't have all the pieces, so you gotta bear with me. So this was the original set. I'll link the original videos below. They're older videos, so just, you know, yeah, so these are the pieces though. They held up so nicely. Of course, they've thinned out over the years, but the quality of the hair has not fallen apart. It still holds up. It's still amazing. So that's what I love about this brand. Again, these are the 2-piece. I mean, come on, you guys. These are 5-year-old clip-ins, and they still are good. Like I can still wear these. I've worn them in photos, so I still wear them sometimes. I would probably just get a new 1B set eventually just to replenish this set and have a fresh set. But all in all, honestly, like they're still really, really good. I did, they keep falling on the floor. So yeah, I'm obsessed. Like I love this brand. These are 5 years old, you guys. And then here is the volumizing piece as well. So I got these a long time ago and they're still holding up. This is still really good. They're not as soft as obviously a fresh pair would be, but they're still just as good. They're really human hair. You can comb, you can brush, you can flat iron, you can curl, you can do whatever you want to these. That's why I love this brand. And this came with 4 clips to secure the hair. So that is what I love about this brand. I just wanted to really come on here and show you guys how amazing these are. And even this has thinned out a bit, but it's still usable. Like I can still use it. Let me just show you guys the difference. Do you see this? So they've only lost a little bit of length. Do you know what I mean? Like they're still 24-inch clip-ins. They're still holding up compared to the brand new fresh pair. Obviously this is a different color, but yeah, I still wear these. I still do my little half down hairstyles with these and still works out for me. So I just wanted to show you guys the difference. Now I'm going to put these in my hair so you guys can see. I have everything in front of me. I don't know how I'm gonna do this without looking in a mirror. But I did grab a hair clip. I just want to take some of my hair back here so I can cover the clip in. I'm gonna take some of this and I'm gonna put it up with my ponytail so I can this is just so I can cover these clip-ins and so that they don't show. But this is how I do this, you guys. And what I do, believe it or not, is just take my hair right here in the back and put it in a ponytail, which I think is, sorry, I'm getting a text. So I put this in I put my hair in the back that I did not leave out in a nice little pony. This might be too much hair. Yeah, in a nice little ponytail back here. And this way it doesn't get all caught up with the other hair. So I'm just gonna put that in a pony back there. And then I'm gonna take this other hair and just kind of clip it in the front so I can add these clip-ins in. So as you can see, my hair is in a little ponytail back here. And then I'm just going to take this really thick one. Actually, wait, no, I'm not gonna do that yet. I'm gonna take this 3-piece clip-in and flip it upside down underneath my hair so that my hair underneath doesn't show. So you want to flip it up instead of letting it go down. I actually learned that trick from Desi Perkins. I'm not even gonna lie. And then you just let it lay and your hair is covered. And then I'm just gonna take the thicker piece, this volumizing piece, open all 4 clips, and I'm going to lay that right over that ponytail, if you guys can see. So I'm gonna lay it right here and it's totally gonna cover the whole thing, see? So it's covering that whole piece right there. I'm obsessed. Like I love these clip-ins. Don't mind my hair, you guys. But yeah, so then I just start adding, I want to keep some of these 2 pieces for my ponytail. So I'm going to take obviously these smaller pieces for the wraparound. And then I'm going to take 3 of these for my ponytail. So I'm going to use, since I have this volumizing one, I don't need a whole lot. I take this 3-piece one, add it up top a little higher. And what I love about doing it this way is because my hair is not really out, it's not going to really affect my hair. Now I'm going to take these other 2 pieces and I'm going to add them in and cover up these other tracks. And now I have this, and then what I'm going to do is take this. There's a decent length now. It'll just cover these tracks. So just blend these right in. And because my hair is not super duper long, it actually just kind of flows with the ombre. So that's why I went along with getting ombre clip-ins, because I knew my hair wasn't going to be longer than where the ombre starts. So that's why I did that. I just want to make sure that my hair is covering these tracks. And then I'm going to take my ponytail and just twist it so that it is not going to show. And how we do that is, I'm gonna have to get a little rubber band. Do I have any rubber bands? I do. I'm gonna take a little rubber band and put it at the end of this pony. I'm just, see? So now my hair is twisted. I'm gonna wrap the clip-ins around the pony, and I like to start down the bottom, but not too far down because I don't have that many to wrap around. So I'm gonna wrap all the way up. Can you guys see that? Yeah, so that's just gonna like start covering these pieces. Okay, so off camera, because I couldn't see, I had to go in the bathroom real quick and look at this. Okay, so I have the smaller clip clipped in here. The little ombre ones, the little ones. I'm gonna use these as my wraparound hair. As you can see, just these little ones, and just cover this. Like, it's hard to do this on camera without looking in a mirror. So I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna look, but it should cover what I need it to cover. And I'm gonna take a hairpin and just sort of pin this right here. All right, guys, so you don't have to worry about this being perfect because we're just gonna put it in a like a bun. I'll tuck that under. And then I'm gonna just add a little hairpin there. I've actually been wearing my hair like this for a while now. Just like a cute little bun and clip-ins in the back. I did this when I went to my fat freezing session. I don't know if you guys saw that vlog, but I had the other clip-ins in though. But I really like this. I do this when I want volume in my bun. Sometimes I'll do my own bun, but today we're doing the clip-ins. Or you could just wear the ponytail down. It's just like whatever you guys want to do, but this is what I like to do. And then sometimes I will do some like baby hairs, but my hair is actually really gelled down up top, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, this is the final look. Again, I love these clip-ins. They're my favorite clip-in brand. I'm going to link them down below. I will put my code, which is AshleyChannelW, if you guys want money off. They were having like a really good sale last week. I'm not sure if they're still having it, but either way, they have really good deals. If you use my code, you will get some money off your purchase. So thanks, guys. Love you, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.